My name is Nate Martin. I'm a divorce and family law attorney here at Genesis Legal Group. I grew up here in Phoenix, Arizona, in the northwest side of town, kind of on the Glendale, Phoenix border. Outside of work, really love playing golf, spend time with my kids, hanging out with my family. Growing up, I always kind of wanted to be a lawyer. I always thought of it as a cool career, something that I'd want to do, but I had other dreams and career goals when I was younger. Wanted to play golf professionally, so after high school, kind of chased that dream for a while, and then when I realized I wasn't quite going to make it there, I got a job in finance, worked in that for a few years. While I was working there, I saw my dad graduate from law school as a second career later in life, and that kind of inspired me that I could still take that leap and go to law school and become a lawyer, even though I was a little bit older. So in my mid-30s, I decided to save up some money and make the leap and went to law school and graduated in my late 30s, and it's been one of the best decisions I ever made to go to law school. I really wanted to make sure I ended up at a place that fit my values, both as a person, what I think is important in life, but also would provide me support and freedom to grow as an attorney. And I felt like Genesis Legal Group was a great place to do that. We want to make sure that we're the best, both in how we represent our clients, but also in how we represent ourselves and how the community views us. It definitely feels like a team and kind of like a family, as cliche as that can sound sometimes. People come to family law attorneys because something not pleasant is happening in their life, whether it be divorce or changes to custody arrangements or what have you. They need help and they need guidance. And I'm excited to be more of a friend to them along the way, somebody just to help kind of hold their hand, guide them through the process, and make sure they get an outcome that they feel is fair. As somebody who's gone through a tough divorce and had to renegotiate parenting plans multiple times and go through all that process, I'm very sympathetic and empathetic to what emotional strain and psychological strain it can take on people. And I'm just excited for the chance to be there for people going through it, just like I had people there for me. It can be very emotional, very high stress at the beginning. You don't know what's happening. But there is hope at the end. There's a light at the end of the tunnel. There is an outcome that'll be reached and things will settle down. Life will get better. And you just need to keep your head up and keep moving forward and you'll get to that outcome.